Happy New Year everybody, welcome back to Johnny's Garden Maintenance. It's the 8th of January, 9th of January guys, back on the job. I made a wee short before Christmas showing the power washer that I bought for £30. Humberpool power washer. Let me swing the camera around now and show you it in action. So guys, I paid £30 for the washer. I put on a new hose, 30-metre hose, a new lance, a turbo nozzle and a sprayer nozzle. Couldn't beat that for £30. Happy New Year guys.